the letter C. C stands for caterpillar. The caterpillar saw a comet last night. Ready to write? Let's get started with proper posture. Feet on the floor. Sit up straight. Remember to use the tripod grip. Here's how you hold your pencil if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, you need to grip the pencil just a little higher from the point so you can see what you've written. If you're right-handed, position your paper with the right side slanted up slightly. If you're left-handed, slant the left side up slightly. Let's write the lowercase c. It's a lot like the printed C, only slanted to the right. Put your pencil just a little bit below the dotted line. Now curve toward the left, going down to the baseline and back up again, heading toward the right. Write the letter C in the air. Let's practice. Let's write the uppercase C. Put your pencil just a little bit below the top line. Now curve toward the left, going all the way down to the baseline and back up again, about halfway to the dotted line. Now write the letter C in the air. Now let's practice. Both uppercase C and lowercase c connect with their smile. Write an uppercase C and connect it to a lowercase c. Let's write the word cab. A cab is a taxi. Have fun practicing your new cursive writing skills!